Hello guys, welcome to Copia Connect. Today we are considering how to resolve the error code F2-43 on the Sharp BP-50C36 model. The F2-43 error code simply indicates a problem with the supply mechanism, in this specific case with the yellow toner cartridge. A problem with the supply mechanism of the yellow toner cartridge. We'll be looking at quickly how to resolve it. Let's go. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video. Thank you. Let's dive in.
Yeah. You using bucket. They going to pour inside the bucket. Concrete flow. But I said stop. Don't do like this. After pouring the bucket, then you put the oil and the next. What is that? What is that? Abdul
that's for this
contractor. How many liters?
They also be 40
Okay, the new shutting they are setting up.
Okay. Yeah. This color.
Yeah, waiting side is okay.